It's day 3 of the letter U of the Incy alphabet. We're about to color this letter, but first we want to erase the extra pencil marks so we don't get that on our pen. Keep enough so that you have good guidelines there, but take off all of that extra. Now you can probably still see a little bit of the indications of the portions that should be in front, and if not, we've still got our paper scrap here. So let's color these front two with a slightly lighter color of bluey green. You can test out your colors on the corner of your page to see which two will have enough contrast but will also look beautiful together. Once you've selected your 2 pens, color in the front sections, but make sure that you are doing nice strokes right along the edge to try to get those crisp lines, and also crisp lines on the bottom. So you'll want to turn your page in order to finish those off really nicely, especially if you're using thick felts like these, which don't have the finest, most delicate tip. Then take your darker color and do all of your back ribbons. So there we go, we have our ribbon letters. It is a fun way to add more than one color to your piece. It also provides an opportunity to get these little special endings in there. And sometimes that's all you need to make one word or letter stand out from the next. Now, because I couldn't help myself, one other thing that I thought of is sometimes ribbons have like stitching down along the edge. So you could always draw in little stitch marks all the way down your ribbon to make it look even more ribbony. And that's even cuter. Sometimes that final little detail is all you need in order to push it from being good to being something great. Please share your work with the hashtag incyalphabet so that not only is it inspiring you to create every day a little something, but it will also allow us to create together.